Hi everyone! This month's updates help you cut through noise and zero in on real risk, including the new critical Next.js CVE, so you move faster and leave those false positives behind. Let's jump right in. A critical new vulnerability in Next.js lets attackers bypass authorization with a simple header tweak. This CVE affects the following Next.js versions, it's easy to exploit, and can lead to unauthorized access, privilege escalation, internal API abuse, and admin takeover. Our network scanner now detects it, so a CVE-focused scan lets you identify vulnerable instances in your infrastructure fast. We've also published a full write-up to walk you through how this vulnerability works, its impact, and detailed remediation steps. Go check it out and test your targets ASAP. This month's website scanner updates help you uncover hard-to-spot web app issues faster. Our scanner checks for document object model-based open redirects, giving you deeper visibility into vulnerable behavior inside the browser, even for those redirects buried in JavaScript. You can also see emails as standalone findings for faster review and better reporting. And if you find a cross-site scripting vulnerability, no need to build your POC manually. Just click Validate with XSS Exploiter and you'll get screenshots, cookies, and request data every time it gets triggered. Proof of exploitation is what separates noise from real risk. We've added a new one for this RCE in WordPress Query Console that affects all WordPress versions and can allow code injection. Use our proprietary offensive tool, Sniper Auto Exploiter, to confirm impact and cut straight to remediation. And don't forget, if Sniper can exploit it, our network scanner can detect it. One more thing, Sniper now gives you a clearer view of payloads, responses, and proof of exploitation. Yes, it's the scan results UI makeover. This month brought a powerful update to the Cloud Scanner as well. The tool has a new finding for public AWS S3 bucket version listings, so you can spot dangerous misconfigurations fast and remediate. Need to add a new teammate, client, or just more recipients to scan notifications? Or maybe you need to easily update alerts? We heard you loud and clear. You can now edit scheduled scan notifications without recreating the whole thing. Go test it and let us know what you think. Our security research team is always on the hunt for new vulnerabilities. Their latest find? Linking to your browser, a research into fizzing 15 sanitizers across Python, Go, Java, Ruby, and other languages, revealing previously unknown vulnerabilities in popular apps like Odoo and Gitya. Watch the talk to explore how they uncovered them and how you can too. That's it for now. Let us know which updates you've tried. Just drop a comment on this video, and as always, happy hacking!